my backyard with Mama Snow. Mama Snow is my foster through Carolina Hearts Aussie Rescue, and she's been with us for about 9 or 10 months now, and she's still looking for a home. She's deaf, so she gets to hang out with me with all of that noise you hear in the background, which is a bunch of construction that's going on. I apologize. The rest of my crew don't like that noise. They are also hearing dogs, so they get crated and Mama gets to play. So anyway, I'm coming to you to show you how I varnish my alcohol inks on canvas. So this is one of my paintings that's going to be shipping out shortly. I have just a tin down to raise it up. Sometimes I use, a table, a small little folding table or like a stool for gardening, because this is a spray varnish. And I don't really like using spray stuff. I'm also super sensitive to things. So you could probably do this inside, like maybe your garage if it's well ventilated, but I don't even trust that. I need to be outside. This also says you should be using it, let's go up a little bit, 50 to 85 degrees. Well, I live in the South, and so it's hot and it's humid, but I gotta do what I gotta do, right? So I've been shaking it out here for 2 minutes, which got me sweating actually, but I didn't really want you to have to hear me do that. So like I said, I've got this canvas here, and I'm just gonna come across. I'm gonna first just spray it so I know it's working, not into my dog, and then I'm just gonna get about 10 to 12 inches, and I'm just gonna go right across. If it's windy, you may need to get a little bit closer, but that's it. That's my first layer. So I'll let that dry for about 15 minutes, and then I'll come out and I'll add another. I'll be back. It's probably been more like 8 or 10 minutes because, I like to live on the edge. But really, it's warm out here, so it's drying pretty quickly, and these are thin layers. In between your layers, you could bring this inside so you don't get bugs or fur on it, but, that's just not me. I don't have time for that. So, I guess I have time for that, but I'm more of the living on the edge, do what you want kind of artist. So we'll just call it mixed media. All right, so I'm back again with the same thing, and I'm just gonna go right across it in nice, even strokes. This bug that's flying around might get varnished in the process. We shall see. All right. And that's it. So I'll do this probably about 5 more times, and then she'll be done. Nice and shiny, even. I did also put a layer over the edges. You can see how it shines, but no brush strokes, and no, I'm just trying to get the light in there. And no, running of any of the alcohol inks. So let me know if you give it a try, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks.